Which
Hi,
company you both are from?
I am from Comprehensive Resources and I am the head of operations.
I'm from Global HR Federation. We are the founding members of the Global HR Federation.
Your good names, please.
Myself, Rohit.
I'm Shailaja.
Okay, is your company using AI?
See, AI is the thing like which we have been using from very long time. So, for example, like AI is not a small thing, and of course, in every organization, for see, ours is a staffing company, okay, and our staffing company needs definitely AI to shorten the resumes or the recruitment needs. And of course, we are using, but like not directly, indirectly we are using through different job portals and different ATS. Hiring will be there throughout the year for us, because since we are into staffing industries, we are expanding, and at the same time, say when there are a lot of people who will be leaving the organization, at the same time like we will be hiring a people. So hiring goes on 24 by 7 all the year.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
You
we are,
hiring this year?
we are hiring. That goes on 25 by 7. And we are also supporting the organization with our CSR initiatives. We are into skill training, and then we are also helping them, supporting them in campus drives and other recruitment panels, and supporting them in HR issues and whatever the HR needs. Like it's networking, and we are engaging them, we are entertaining them.
What kind of students you are looking for?
Students, we can say it's not only IT, we are also looking for non-IT also. See, every student got their own talent, and everyone are upskilled in their own streams, and they have their skills who can get any kind of job. It's not only IT that they are looking in now. Even the degree colleges got AI, data science, and all. Not only the engineering stream, even the degree colleges like BSc, who are offering BSc, BCom, and BA also got the AI streams and data specializations, and they also have the computer specializations and all. It's not like the 20 years, 30 years back, whichever we had. It's only a normal arts or the commerce or the science that we had. But right now it is much more improved. The future generations are more into these kind of technologies. Like they are, every person is trying to uh, get into the competition of the present trend, like present scenarios of the job. They need the job, they want to upskill it, they want the future. So future generations are more concentrating on whatever the technologies are trending.
Yeah, it's the same, like as Sarajika said, we are hiring. It's not only IT, it's not only non-IT. It is like any student who graduated, we are hiring them. And see, we are into a recruitment based company. So we are hiring and we will be training them like according to our needs. So yes, we are hiring any kind of students who are just graduated.
So every graduate, whoever are graduating from their colleges, have to be upskilling themselves for competing with the technologies, new technologies.
So, how long is your assistance there with your companies?
Assistancy, it's not a training company, right? Like see, we are into a recruitment firm, we are a staffing firm. So we will be hiring students, or we will be hiring employers. So it's not the association, but like the fact is, like whoever we recruited so far, see, ours is a 1997 based company, so almost 25 years company. And people have been working almost from 10 years in our company. So this means that, like, as you know, that like we are like people are not that easy to leave our company. So yes, people are definitely associated with us from very long time.
Yeah. So, do you hire domestic operations, within India, or is it outside India? How is it?
See, ours is a USID staffing company. Ours is a USID staffing company. So majorly, what we do, we recruit domestic people, domestic recruiters here, but we hire US. The people who are in US, like it can be on student visa, or it can be on H1B visa, or any work visa. We will be placing them over there. But internally, the recruiters from here, they will be doing all the recruitment activities, and they will be hiring them.
Campus, I have recruited more than maybe 10,000 students advise the students, train them. I've trained them in soft skills and then prepared them for the interviews with the companies, and then we place them with in many major companies, MNCs and all. This is like over the period of 20 years, I've seen so much of development and so much of many opportunities are coming over. Even the market is slow now. I can say there are many jobs outside and many companies are recruiting.
Yeah. See, I mean, as already Sailaja garu answered the question, I just want to add one more thing. The organizations like this, the training and placement officers, where we are able to interact with lot of universities, training and placement officers, and universities and colleges training and placement officers, which would be added advantage for us, because no need of selecting or researching on particular universities. When we are interacting with lot of college or universities faculty, we came to know about their universities, and now we would be interested in reaching out to them and going out to those universities and hiring them. And I definitely support these kind of organizations here who are doing charity. Exactly, I can say charity on this, because it's making easy for HRs like us.